Hey food fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this bulgur wheat with shrimp and tilapia dinner. I'm hungry all over again, y'all. But if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Daphne and welcome to my channel. If you guys want to see what I look like, I'm right here. Yeah. Alright then. So for this recipe, all you're gonna need are some shrimp and some tilapia fillets. Y'all, I don't know if I said it right, but yeah, you're gonna grab the water and I'm basically gonna put all the tilapia in the water, rinse it out, and do the same thing for the shrimp. Rinse the shrimp out, and then I will deshell the shrimp and rinse that part out. So that's what I'm doing in this little segment right here. And I also wanted to tell you guys why I'm rinsing my food out. So it's because you don't know where these fish, these shrimp came from. It didn't come from your farm. You didn't raise no tilapia, no shrimp. So you gotta always make sure you clean your food before you eat it. That's something that I go by religiously. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and deshell the shrimp. And that's not the whole cleaning process, guys. I'm also gonna clean this with some lime. As you guys can see, I'm gonna cut it open. But before I cut it, I roll it under my hand to give it more juice. And y'all saw a little knife skills I just did there? Don't do that at home because that's very safe. You shouldn't be throwing knives up in a sky like that. But yeah, I'm gonna rinse the shrimp like I told you guys, and next I'm gonna put all the shrimp and the tilapia in the bowl and put my lime in there and put some more water and let it sit while I get started on my other ingredient for this food. And just an FYI, this isn't the only thing that I do to clean my meat and my fish. Like, just because tilapia and shrimp are so delicate, that's why I only use lime. But most of the time I use vinegar and everything else too. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get our bulgur wheat, y'all, and our olive oil. I'm gonna put the olive oil in the pan, and we're also gonna add some mixed vegetables that's frozen. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the pan as well and let the pan basically come to a what? Not a boil. So what's the word? A fry? We're gonna heat this thing up. And for my seasoning, y'all, the main ingredient would be this Maggi. If y'all never had Maggi before in y'all food, try it. I'm only gonna be using one of those for like the whole meal and maybe a little bit of salt later, but I just go ahead and crush that into the vegetables and I'm gonna mix it up. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I did y'all a favor because I added the sounds of me cooking. Like, I actually turned off my music for y'all and everything. Oh, by the way, I'm putting some coconut milk in there. I'm not gonna put all of it, just half of it, because this is a small meal. But if you're making like a bigger portion, a bigger amount, then definitely put all of it because it just adds such a nice flavor to it. But y'all, I added the sound to it just so y'all could, you know, really feel like y'all was there with me. Subscribe if y'all like that. Nah, but all jokes aside, we are on a road to 50K subscribers though. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to this. I'm gonna add 2.5 cups, but if you guys are gonna cook this meal right here, this bulgur wheat, I recommend only adding 2 cups of water because I added a bit too much. And I'm gonna put some garlic in there for some flavor. But yeah, I'm just gonna mix that up and wait until it comes to a boil. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and taste it really soon, and I'm gonna see that it needs some salt, and I'm gonna put some salt in there. But yeah, just the goal here is to wait for it to come to a boil before I do anything. And now it is time for me to add my bulgur wheat because the water has come to a boil. And for the amount that I added about a cup, but I should have added a little bit more because I added more water than usual, but that's okay. It still came out delicious, beautiful. But remember the fish and shrimp that we set aside, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the limes out and rinse it out. You see the water is very, very dirty. All of that came from the fish and the shrimp, so make sure you do this step, guys. It's very crucial. And it is always best to clean up as you go. That's something I must admit I've never ever done it until I got my own place and I've realized the importance of it. But yeah, my bulgur is basically done drying up now. That's why we left it uncovered so it could dry up, not cook yet. But I'm gonna mix it in just to make sure there's no more water, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some aluminum foil, put that on top of it, and just let it cook now on a lower setting. Alright guys, I didn't do that much talking on the seasoning part because you guys could clearly see the seasonings I use, and I really wanted you guys to enjoy the music. But next I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what tilapia looks like, and then I'm gonna grab my pan, put it on the stove, and add some olive oil, of course. And yeah, we're just gonna get the pan ready and hot for our shrimp because that's what we're cooking first. And if you guys are wondering, I did season the shrimp with the same exact seasoning as I use on the tilapia. This smells so good already. Now that I'm done frying my shrimp with the same oil, I'm gonna add some water. This is to create like a little broth or a sauce, guys. And while the water is boiling, I'm checking on my bulgur. I was not trying to burn myself, but I got a spoon. I'm gonna check on it and taste it to see if it's cooked already, and it was actually, so I went ahead and put it out the way. But for the water, guys, I'm just gonna add my tilapia in it, and then I'm gonna flavor it. Right now it looks a little weird, I must admit, but y'all, that's the process of cooking. Something that doesn't look good to you might taste the best, which in this case this most definitely did. But I am gonna transform it with some seasonings like that lemon pepper right there. I'm gonna add that on there. Also gonna add some paprika and some pepper flakes, and when I'm done doing that, the goal is to have the tilapia get cooked but not over dry it, like not overcook it. So yeah, I'm also gonna add some parsley for color. I forget to mention that. But yeah, I'm just gonna cover it again with the lid that does not fit, but somehow that's the only lid that I have. Y'all, I don't know, but we gotta go shopping. And just like that, the tilapia is cooked, y'all, and here is the moment of truth. Your girl is about to go and try to flip it, and the first one, I'm not gonna lie to you, the first one came out good, amazing, and the second one, it came out good too. And I was so surprised, like it broke, and just like that, all the other ones broke too. So y'all not even gonna see all that. Like, I refuse to keep on embarrassing myself. So after that, I'm gonna taste the little broth to see if it's good, and it was. So I added my vegetables in there. Those are frozen vegetables as well, y'all. Those come in clutch because you could use them whenever, however. But it just includes some broccoli, some carrots, and some cauliflower. And then I'm gonna add some seasoned salt. And although my tilapia looked very red in seasons, that was mostly the paprika. So yeah, I'm gonna cover that. And I'm giving you guys a little cleanup moment here because it's very important that y'all see the real process of cooking, how messy you could get. And even with that, this isn't even a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna be back once I'm done cleaning, y'all.
Who's texted me?
Oh my gosh, I know y'all see that. This smell looks so beautiful, so good, and y'all, it tasted so good when I tasted it here. Like, it's crazy how you could transform vegetables into something so delicious. Anyways, I did not forget about the shrimp, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the meal too. And since this is fish, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lime slices to it. If y'all want, y'all could just squeeze the lime on there, but I didn't want to do that. I want it to be more decorative. So I added the lime pieces to it, and that's basically it, y'all. This is the food. This is the bulgur wheat with the vegetables, so delicious, good, and very healthy for you. And this was the tilapia and shrimp. Y'all, make this. It's so, so good. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget, we're on the road to 50K subscribers, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, Fufu out. Love you. Mwah.